First, I was thinking that we may not have coronavirus here, but all our companies will get a nice excuse that their sales fell because of coronavirus. Having said that, by 10 a.m., the bad GDP, the corona impact, etc., 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 will all be in the price. I think there'll be 50 gainers and 1450 of decliners. In that sort of a situation, I would probably venture out to buy, not sell, because selling after 250 points, selling after 650, 700 point decline is not the best trading strategy. Now it looks very funny and what am I saying, etc. But the only thing you can expect from this sort of despair is that something positive comes out, and for some reason, even if global markets halve their losses, we could also have a fairly strong upside. This is not a trade for everybody, but people who must trade, and for the day trader style community, just wait for a couple of lower lows and then try to see if you want to buy, because in this sort of market even the FII cannot sell, so chances are that he may also buy for a change and take you higher. This is all speculation, hope and pray, because there is no trade on the short side as we open. See, basically couple of buy calls, which is one of them is the insurance sector. I don't think coronavirus will impact that. So ICICI Pru is a buy with a stop of 580, target of 505. Levels will get disturbed because we are going to open 250 points lower. Britannia is a buy with a stop of 3100, target of 3175. Meanwhile, Mindtree is a sell with a stop of 1000 and look for targets of 950. LIC Housing is a sell with a stop of 342, target of 326, and Canara Bank is a sell with a stop of 157, target of 144.
When I see the chart structure, it's totally weak. There is no sign of strength. What we saw in the later part of trading session yesterday was purely a short covering, but a weak short covering. That was only because of the, I guess, expiry. Had the expiry not been there, I don't think we would have seen that short covering as well. So I have a very strong support. I would say that if it is still weak, maybe 11,431 is a very strong support. I think it should hold. If not, then 11,322, which I don't think will happen. I have two stocks, both two longs and two shorts, and I have a feeling that none of the stocks will fructify. The trades may not work out. Still, Asian Paints still look like a buy. Possible targets 1880, stop below 1830. Axis Bank a buy, stop below 730, target is around 750. Shorts, BEL looks weak, possibly we'll see a slide to around 70 zone, stop about 81, and Tata Chemical also is looking weak, target on the downside is 700 lower, stop about 738.